Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So I have Galaxy A51 global variant 4G, and this is not a wallpaper. This is actually AOD, always on display. Such a bright always on display. The ROM that I flash on this mobile phone. First of all, let me show that the face unlocking is working very fast and very fine. But the fingerprint scanner is actually not working with the current version, right? The ROM that I flash on Galaxy A51 4G can be flashed on the Galaxy F41, Galaxy M21, Galaxy M31 and Galaxy M31s as well. So this is AlphaDroid. Current version is 4.5. Currently latest one flashed already on Galaxy A51. Galaxy A51 model number you can see A515F. ROM is actually coming with the Android 16. 1st May 2026 is the security update date. So check out the maintainer name, build date and AlphaDroid version is 4.5. Well my friends, if you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video, keep sharing it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, click the select all. I really appreciate your contribution. Thank you so much. Yes, ROM is actually not coming pre-default with the Google applications, but we have to flash gaps after flashing the ROM. So this ROM have a very smooth performance. Like if you flash it, you will compare it with the stock One UI. This ROM is running smoothly on my mobile phone. Camera application, take pictures instantly, record video. On one tab, you can record videos and you can record 4K resolution video on this ROM. Let me check. Well, you can see the 24 frame per second and the current recording is actually 4K. Front camera is also working fine. You can take pictures from the front camera and you can record videos also. The flashlight is also working fine with the camera. So I have flashed the gaps and the Play Store is working fine. I already downloaded all my favorite applications directly and straightly from the Google Play Store. You can see the applications currently installed on my mobile phone, straightly downloaded from the Google Play Store. As far ROM is not rooted, no issues using the banking application. SIM inserted and signals are coming. QoS panel of the current AlphaDroid ROM. Beautiful looking QoS panel. All the widgets are working fine. I connect my Bluetooth headphone
is connected successfully.
And it got connected perfectly without any issue. I play some music via Bluetooth. It is happening without any issues. I make a call also.
This call will be charged at 72 pesos. Dear customer, no complaints related to slow mobile internet or mobile internet not working.
Yes, it is working fine via Bluetooth as well or via speaker. We can record calls with the provided dialer and without an announcement, all the calls can be recorded. Android 16 ROM will run faster on the Galaxy A51. After all, Galaxy A51 cannot be updated to Android 16. Alpha settings provided in settings. After coming here, you can modify the ROM the way you like. Bunch of modifications already provided with the ROM. You can get integrity fix by coming here and you can make the device certified by checking the tricky store option. And there are many more features provided in this section. After flashing this ROM, if you find the ROM stable, if you want to stick with this ROM, you can check the updates. If the updates release, you can get it via OTA. Watch your favorite movies, watch your favorite videos and use these social media applications. There is no issues. Now if you want to know how to flash this ROM on Galaxy A51, then you can watch my further video. Well, you are a flashaholic, then you must know that every custom ROM requires an unlock bootloader. So unlock the bootloader of the mobile phone first, then flash the ROM. I will provide my tutorial video link in this video description. You can watch that video, how to unlock the bootloader in proper way to get the KG state checking also. Your mobile phone must be updated to the latest stock firmware of One UI. In case if you are having a custom ROM, doesn't matter, but your mobile phone once must be updated to latest stock One UI ROM. Check the battery, it must be charged. In case if the battery below 30%, then charge the mobile phone battery. You need to save all the internal storage data. Whatever pictures, whatever videos you have, must save it, otherwise it will get formatted. Like your recent call list, your SMS, your WhatsApp data, make a backup. Turn off the screen lock by selecting swipe. Must turn it off. If you are on One UI using Samsung account, must remove the Samsung account. Sync your Google account once, then must remove it. If you have done all these things, then now power off the mobile phone. Links are all provided in my video description. So I have Galaxy A51, so I will try to flash the ROM on my Galaxy A51, right? But I will provide the link like the way developer provided already. So this ROM can be downloaded for Galaxy F41, Galaxy M21, M31 and M31s. In my case, I have Galaxy A51, so I have the custom recovery of the Galaxy A51. Those who want to flash on Galaxy F41, M21, M31 and M31s, I can just provide the link of the ROM. I do not have a link of custom recovery. You need to search the custom recovery of your particular mobile phone. So these are the files that I have already downloaded. Links are provided in my video description. I have downloaded the Light GApps ARM64 Android 16. This Light GApps is working fine with any custom AOSP ROM which comes like vanilla. Must install the Samsung Android USB driver on your Windows, so Windows will detect the mobile phone easily. Extract the Odin in same folder. Then open the extracted folder of the Odin, double click the Odin, click OK on this pop-up window, and on Odin click AP slot. Go to the downloaded folder, select the TWRP recovery file, the current file having a VB meta disable file also. This file coming with the extension of tar, so it can be flashed with the help of Odin. Double click to select this file. I will come back to my mobile phone. Always use a good quality of data cable for flashing and for charging the mobile phone. Check the other side of the data cable must be connected with computer or laptop, whatever options you have. Check the mobile phone, it must be totally power off. Boot the phone into Odin mode. Mobile phone must be having an unlock bootloader. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key. Now you need to check all the buttons must be working properly. Hold both keys and then connect cable with the mobile phone. You will see a warning screen, then release both keys. On this screen, press the volume up key once to boot the phone into Odin mode. My phone got booted into downloading mode, or I can say Odin mode. On my computer screen, Odin detected my mobile phone. On Odin, click options, untick the auto reboot, go back to log, then click start to start flashing the recovery file. When done, you will see pass message, exit the Odin. Go back to the downloaded folder. Boot the mobile phone into TWRP recovery from the downloading mode screen. Do not disconnect the data cable from the mobile phone. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key and power key. When mobile phone restart, then release the volume down key first. Okay. When Samsung logo appears, then release the power key. After 5 seconds, release the volume up key. The phone will definitely show TWRP recovery screen. Here we go. First tap wipe, then tap advanced wipe. Swipe to wipe. Okay, then go back. Then tap Dalvik art, cache, metadata, data. These 4 partitions, right? And then swipe. When done, then go back. Go back. Tap format data. Type YES. Tap here. When done, then go back to main screen, tap reboot and tap recovery. So recovery got rebooted. Now I will come to my computer screen. The internal storage already pop up. I will go back to my downloaded folder and I will copy the ROM file AlphaDroid and the Light GApps. I will copy these both files from the computer hard drive. Then I will bring back the internal storage and I will paste both the files on the internal storage of the mobile phone. So both files got copied on my mobile phone. So I am done from the computer. First, disconnecting the data cable from the mobile phone. Press the power button. unlock the TWRP screen, then tap Settings, tap Third menu, make the screen time out to maximum, go back to the main screen, tap Install, select the ROM file first by tapping on it, and then swipe to start flashing it. Wait for it now. So ROM got flashed. Now go back to the main screen and tap Reboot, tap Recovery. We have to reboot the recovery before flashing the GApps file. Recovery got rebooted. Now tap Install. Now this time tap to select the light GApps file and then swipe to start flashing it. So all things got done, and now tap Reboot System. The mobile phone will stay on the Samsung Galaxy logo for a while, and then it will start booting to the AlphaDroid latest version, which is actually Android 16. First boot may take a little time, we have to wait here. Welcome screen got finally appeared on my mobile phone Galaxy A51 4G. Check out the welcome screen, it have a wallpaper also. So complete the setup screen. If you want to stick with this ROM during completing the setup screen, you have to put a tick sign update AlphaDroid recovery alongside with the OS. All things done very smoothly. Beautiful wallpaper is on my desktop screen of my mobile phone. The QS panel, you can see it, and the Google Play Store, you can see it here. These are the default applications coming default with the ROM. Tapping Settings, then going to the About Phone. Same AlphaDroid version 4.5, Android 16, security update 1st May 2026, build status, builder maintainer name, and the version you can see 4.5, build date. I hope you got the ROM. Do not forget to like the video, keep sharing it. To stick with my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you again. Bye bye.